Hello everyone, and welcome to the technology portion of the MACU New Student Orientation video series. In this video, we're going to take a quick moment to give you an overview of the MACU.OneLogin.com portal. Now, MACU.OneLogin.com is your single sign-on location where you may access each tile that will redirect you to a system that you will use here as an online and on-campus student. What I'm going to do first is just give you a very brief overview of what each of these tiles does, and then future videos will give you far more detail into very specific tiles that you will use most often. First and foremost, you have a student email account here as a MACU student. All of our student email accounts are hosted by gmail.com, and you will be able to access your email at your username at my.macu.edu. All you need to do is log in to the MACU OneLogin portal and click this tile and you will be redirected to your Gmail account. This is the primary location where the university will send you information once you begin classes, so it's very important to set this up early and to check it frequently. The Desire to Learn tile is your MACU classroom, and you came here with a desire to learn. So when you forget, D2L, as we call it here, is your classroom. You will also know that there is an email account located within Desire to Learn that is typically used to communicate between you and your instructor, and it is also the location where our MACU bookstore will send you notifications about your book shipments and when it is time to actually go in and purchase your books. Microsoft Office 365 is also available for free for all of our students for the duration of their time here as a student. To access that Office 365, you will click on the tile and you will be redirected to a page where you may access Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and many other systems that you may use in class. If you have just purchased a computer and you would like to install Office on your computer, you may do so by clicking the Install Office dropdown and follow the instructions. And once again, you will have access to all of this information for the duration of your time here as a student for free. The MACU Portal is what we like to call the administration building. If you need to know something about your status as a student, this is going to be the tile that you will click on. In a future video, we will go into far more detail about the MACU Portal and give you a tour of the student services pages where you can find these videos, where you may identify your class schedule, learn about your financial status, and much more information from there. All of our students have access to free tutoring as well on our Upswing online tutoring system. Adult students have access to 4 hours a week, and tutoring is available for the majority of the classes here at the university, whether that be undergraduate or even some graduate classes. Tutoring is available 24/7, and a future video will give you a little more detail into how to navigate the system. The final tile I wish to discuss with you today is the Barnes & Noble College tile, or this is actually our MACU bookstore. Now, if you were to log in to OneLogin.com the first time and click on this tile, it will not take you to an active page. You must set up your account and password with the Barnes & Noble College system prior to clicking on this tile, or unfortunately, it will not work. But once you have established your account, and you would like to create a shortcut to access your Barnes & Noble College page later on, once that is created, you may click on the Edit button, enter your Desire to Learn email page, because once again, Desire to Learn is where your bookstore communications will be sent. You will enter the username at d2l.macu.edu and then enter the password that you created when you set up your account at Barnes & Noble College. Then you will click Save. By doing this, the next time you log in to your MACU.OneLogin.com portal, you will click on Barnes & Noble College and it will redirect you to the page, log you in, and then you will be ready to go about purchasing your books. If you would like more information on how to set up your account with Barnes & Noble College, a video is available on the MACU Student Portal under the Student Services tab and New Student Orientation. Please stay tuned for future videos while we dive into more information about each of these specific tiles. Thank you.